Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you exactly how our bulk article generator works. This is the meat and potatoes of how Auto PageRank will help you rank on Google. The content that you put on your website is what's going to help you rank, get traffic, get keywords ranked, and all those different things, help you get sales, leads. This is where it happens. And so in this section here, what you're going to see is you're going to see some demo content once you log in. And so the demo content would look something like this. And so here we would have our project status, whether it's completed or in progress. If you have 50 articles or 100 articles, you can do as much as you'd like in one project. And what you'll see here is whether it's complete or not, the type of model that we use, the provider, OpenAI, the presets that we use, the tone of voice, point of view, country, key takeaway, all these different things that we go over in the preset section. It's going to use those presets here. You can also click on this to see the prompts that we use for each one of these, whether it's the title prompt or the introduction prompt, content prompt. You can kind of take a view and see what we use to create those articles here with AI. Now, in here, in this section, you'll see also a button right here where you can archive the project. If you're done with it and you don't want to see it anymore, just archive it and you won't see it inside of your blog creator anymore. Now, here in this section, we see the generated article section, and you'll see the title that it's created and also the keyword that it used to create that blog. And so if you click on the view button, you'll see also it's 100%, that it means the article is completed already. And if you click on actions view, you're going to see the article here. And you can scroll down and kind of take a look at the article. If you scroll all the way up, you're also going to see the copy HTML, copy plain text, and copy with formatting. Formatting is including the H1 tags, H2s, and all those things. If you have a Shopify store or something that we do not currently integrate with, which we are building into the future, like Shopify and all those different things, then you can copy the HTML and take this article straight into your Shopify store, for example, and have all of the like formatting in there as well. Currently, right now, it's only for WordPress. But again, we are developing more integrations here in the future. So the next thing that you can see here, as you can see, these articles here I've already published. And so if you want to publish these new articles here, all you have to do is click on these buttons here and click publish to WordPress. So you would select those articles, or you would select all the articles and publish them over to WordPress. Okay, and then you can also choose your items per page. So once we hit publish to WordPress, we're going to select the WordPress site here. And let's just, choose a random site here, gptsaiagents.com. And then what we'll do here is we'll choose the category, which is also inside of your WordPress website. You choose the category that you'd like, and then you choose the author. So you can separate it into multiple different authors. And then you can distribute it and schedule these articles or number of articles across however many days you'd like, up to 30 days. So that's basically the whole gist of how this works. Now, the thing about creating projects here, you can create projects. Typically, I create projects specifically for a specific blog categories. So this way, as I'm uploading everything, I can just select all and then upload it to a specific category without having to pick and choose which categories I like them to be in. So I would say, that type of workflow is probably best for what you're doing here. So what I would typically do is create a project for one specific category on my blog, and then have all of those articles, whether it be 10, 20, 30, 50 articles, and then publish them into that category and have them published, scheduled within 30 days. That's kind of my workflow, but it really is up to you. There's a lot of customizations that you can do with this. You can have either, if you're doing one article, two, or even 100 or even 1,000 articles, and, publish over 30 days, you can do that. However, I wouldn't recommend doing that. I would recommend, if you're just starting out, to start out with maybe about 5 to 10 articles a day at max, and then start slowly increasing it as you're getting more and more traffic to your website. So again, this is the main meat and potatoes of how we're going to get articles ranked and how we're going to get keywords ranked on Google, is by having good content on your website.